Hello, this is Joe from Bad News Racing, and I am here to unveil our brand new S-Line wastegate for the Malibu 1.5s and the 1.5 Vanderhalls. So today I will be showing you how to remove your stock wastegate off of your Turbski and install your own Bad News Racing upgraded wastegate. Alrighty, so you're going to need a 10mm socket and a pair of pliers. Take our pliers and we're going to use them to remove this hose right here. Then we're going to take our 10mm and we're going to remove these nuts right here, which I'll just go ahead and there we go, boom. And then we're going to use a little screwdriver to get up in here and pop that clip off. Boom, pop that off. Now we can pull that right out. Granted, it'll be a little different with the turbo in your vehicle, but that's essentially it. So now we're going to take our new wastegate and we're going to put that on. Let's go ahead and put our nuts on so it holds in place. Put our hose back on. Now we're going to adjust for preload. So this guy right here, is gonna come with this little adapter. Let's go ahead and just plop that on. So you want to turn your turnbuckle in enough until this can just fit right in there with no issues, with the arm closed all the way. So let's go ahead and tighten this up. And that should be good. Let's check it. Boom, drops right in. Okay, cool. So now what we're gonna do is set our preload. This is set at 0 right now. So now we're going to go ahead and set our preload, which we always recommend to start off with 3 half turns. So we're going to turn it in 1, 2, 3. And let's go ahead and put our lock-in nut, hold that in place. All right, now that we set our preload, we're going to drop this on. Let's go ahead and put our sleeve on, our adapter, and now we're gonna press this through. You might have to pull on your wastegate a little bit because it is going to be a tight fit since you added your preload. Once you put it on, you're then going to take your C-clip, which is included, and just push that on. Boom. Now you're on. Now I would recommend going for a drive. If you have a boost gauge or some way to reference your boost, you can see where you're at. If you're under boosting, then I would say take the pin out and give yourself another turn or two. If you're over boosting, say loosen this, so turn it the opposite way and give yourself a little more length on the rod, and just give it a few little tweaks. You'll be good to go. All right, brothers. Peace.